ẹ kú dédé àsìkò yìí ní gbogbo bí tẹ́ bá ti láǹfààní láti máa gbọ́ mi tó bá fẹ́ dàbí everybody ó gbọ́dọ̀ máa ronú bí everybody ẹ bá mi wo fọ́nrán yìí gbogbo ohun tẹ́ bá rí sí ẹ bá mi fi ránṣẹ́ sí abẹ́ comment section.
Haripoga. Ṣé ń tẹ́lẹ̀ wò lókè? Ṣé ṣe àdí fídíò yìí? Adétúnmí yẹn. Fídíò yìí ó ti went viral on social media. Ẹ ń tẹ́ wo tó ń wẹ̀ ní òwò yìí. Ìyàwó lé ni. Àwọn ìwà sọ wípé ibi kan mú ká lórí péjì Linda Ìkejì. Wọ́n ló ń go through depression ni. Ṣé tó ń go ṣé wíwẹ̀ ní òwò? Bóyá òun ló fúnra ẹ̀ fídíò ara ẹ̀ ni. Bóyá fídíò ẹ̀ ni I don't know. But ṣé tó ń go through depression? Ṣé by having a bath ní òwò báyìí òun ló máa bá eradicate the depression tó ní? Àbí orí social media ló máa bá eradicate or resolve the depression tó ní? Èmi kọ́ ni mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o, àwọn èèyàn lọ sọ, àwọn èèyàn lọ kọ́ lórí social media, ó wà lórí page Linda Ìkejì. But as far as I'm concerned, this is not eléyìí ò ṣe depression. Eléyìí ò ṣe depression. Èèyàn tó bá wà okay, let me educate you a bit more about marriage for those of you that might not know. Okay? Now as a couple, ọkọ àti ìyàwó, tíyàwó tó bá ní issues or problems pé ọkọ ẹ̀ kẹjọ sọ. Ìwọ ọkọ tó bá ní issues or any problems, call your wife and discuss it and resolve things and reach a conclusion. Okay? That is why people often say, two heads are better than one. Now, enter way olokonle. So why resorted to having a shower? Or what as a married person? Or what you saw on social media? This is a colossal disgrace on its own. This is uncalled for. This is unacceptable from a married person. Now, I want to marry. To novice about marriage. They might try the same thing. They might do the same thing. What are norms? But this is not norms. This is not part of the norms. This is ridiculous. It is unacceptable. Even to be coming from a single person. To buy a single person, it is still unacceptable. Come out of being to are married. Like I said, this is not depression. I don't know why she has done it. Having a shower, and post on social media, that will not resolve or eradicate whatsoever you might be going through. Like I said, people wrote it on Linda Ikeji's page. Go and read all the comments from individuals. Go and read them there. All right, this is insane. If anyone asks me, like I am not understanding. Now, nobody can tell me otherwise. Because no man, no husband in his rightful thinking mind we allow this from his wife. If you think otherwise, drop your views in the comment section. Take it up SS 2026 signing out. And to the young ones, please don't try this. To the young ones in marriage or about to go to marriage, don't try this. This is not on. It is unacceptable. Okay? From a responsible person as a woman, this is unacceptable. Take it up SS 2026 signing out.
Right, I'm sure some of you will have seen this video of this lady circulating around the social media space. This lady you are seeing on the screen. I don't know her in person, but I've seen her come for politicians in Nigeria on so very many occasions. Seeing this video, as much as this is not a business of mine, as much as I'm not supposed to even go near videos like this to talk about it because it's not something that I do, but I felt sometimes you need to correct the ignorance of some people, mainly Nigerians, the ignorance. Some of us Nigerians, we are too bush. Some of us, we are too backward. Some of us, we still live in the analog. This video you are seeing on the screen, tell me exactly what is wrong with this video. What can you see? You can only see her back. And the social media space is just buzzing because of this video. Have you seen naked videos on the social media space? No. Have you seen people wearing just the panties on the social media space and posting the videos like that? And that video will have millions of views, 50-something likes. Do you know exactly what it means to have 50-something thousand likes on a video? But because you think she's married, and I think the last time I checked, the only person that has a right to castigate this lady is her husband. And I don't know if you've seen the video where the husband was actually saying there is nothing wrong with the video. The people have a very poor mentality. If she decides to go to the beach, what do you expect her to wear? Or do you think a married woman don't have the right to go to the beach? When you go to the beach, you see people swimming naked, just barely putting on panties. But because she was doing this in her own bathroom, in her own shower, you could only see the back. Did you see anything in her front? Did you see anything at the back? Do you see anything? Tell me exactly what you could see in that video. Some of you are so bush, you are so archaic, you are so backward. And for the next 48 hours now, this is the video that you guys will all be watching. Because she's married. And so, have you seen married women come on social media space with panties? And they post the videos and you see likes, thumbs ups and things like that? Huh? What is wrong? What is wrong with you people? What if she decides to go to the beach and she decides to wear just a bikini? What would you say about that? Or do you expect her to wear full dress to go to the beach? You guys should go and get sense and talk about things that are even meaningful. Talk about things that matters to you. Talk about things that contribute immensely to your own growth and your development. Some of you, this is exactly where you'll be gathering your views now. And I hope you make $100 on it. Some of you need to go and get sense, sit your asses down and think about some things that could contribute immensely to your growth, to your development. Go on the social media space if you need to see videos where women are just wearing panties to go around on the social media space and get some sense.
All I do, two things. I encourage, I agitate, and I advocate. But if you can't think, say, you will use my name to push a wrong narrative, please don't ever try it again. While you come to my page and I post something, I post my videos with detailed caption. So if you want to lift content from my page, you want to lift something from my page, and you want to go and use it as content, don't define what I didn't define on my page. You see, the past few days, you all saw what has been happening. But I learned 3 things, and I'm going to do 3 different videos to enlighten us and to warn we Nigerians to be extremely careful. One thing that I know for sure is that we hate each other. We don't like each other in this country. And there are some set of people that receive extra negative love, negative energy. And once you are speaking against the government in this country, people want change, but they don't like people talking against injustice in their system. Because if you look at somebody like me, you will be asking, what is my problem? What is my offense? That you people feel I am not entitled to a life, I am not entitled to my own decisions. You see this video that I posted and has been trending. 3 lessons I've learned. Number 1, Nigerians will always be motivated by visuals and not truth and reality. Eyilepa Mohbad. Eyilepa woman, that same woman that had idea and was always dancing on social media. You people bullied her out of who she was. You people wanted to make her what you people want. Nigerians like to make people what they want. They don't like Nigerians to be people to be who they are. You people bullied that woman till she went to do a surgery. Same thing, Ike died a few weeks ago. Everybody was crying as if they loved him genuinely. Now, somebody like Just Adeton in this country, in this Nigeria, I posted a video. I was trying to cool off my head from a spiritual ministration. I'd had a spiritual encounter. And I was praying. You people didn't see it. I posted a video in the morning. That same song, you people didn't see it. But just because I was under a shower, you people have turned it into immorality. You have turned it to indecency. You have started to call our culture. We are Nigerians. Am I going to be responsible for your lack of exposure? So you people think because I am an activist, I am poor. Or because if it was them Tiwa, or them Bimbo, or them that posted son, you people say, bring it on, baby. But because it is Just Adeton, you people feel I don't have a life. You people feel everything is content. People come out to just feel themselves, and then people now turn it into a different thing. And somebody now carried my video, and you are now telling Nigerians that I am depressed, that even if I am depressed, you are trying to defend the video. You didn't even say, okay, if somebody like this or this national figure is depressed, or you could not slide into my DM, you people could not, auntie, I hope all is well. So if all is not well with somebody like me, Adeton, you people think I will come to social media? I do not cry before men. I stand before men and I kneel before God. And let me shock you all. I'm sorry I'm going to be telling you people this now. Because what I'm it less me. Somebody too was now trying to compare me to some actresses. What a level of disrespect. Do you people know who? Let me leave my husband. Do you know who my mother's brother is in this country?
I'm sure he's about the second or third player in the oil and gas industry. I don't mention names because the last time one of una A-list celebrity knew who my uncle was, one of my uncles, he said he has been looking for him to straff him and collect money. So I don't drop my family's names anymore because I've seen that your celebrities, your low-life celebrities, they're always looking for people that will buy them houses or cars. Now, let's leave that. Don't let anybody take you out of your space, who you are, and want to give you a definition. That is what they do on social media. They want you to live a life that pleases them, not a life that pleases you. Wicked people. But now let me tell you something again. You see somebody like me, Adeton, tó bá jẹ́ obìnrin tó bí, tó jẹ́ pé obìnrin ló lóyún ẹ tó bí ẹ, tó bá try láti push a non-narrative about me. If you come to social media, má jẹ́ mo wà lórí mi o, ègún burúkú dẹ̀ wà lẹ́nu mi. If you carry my story that I did not post myself, you carry a story and you write a narrative about me. Oh, to jẹ́ èèyàn mọ́ láyé. Oh, to jẹ́ èèyàn mọ́ láyé. Go and check the history of people that have tried. Any woman that have tried to write negative things about me on this social media. Oh, to jẹ́ èèyàn mọ́ kò sẹ́ni tó lè wẹ̀ fún ẹ. Because ọlá inú kan ni mo fi ń bá gbogbo yín ṣe. I look at the sufferings in our country. I look at the situation of our country. And all that I've tried to do is to fight the government just to benefit the common man. But you people don't think of the common man. You people think of the content you want to create and make money. So just Adeton has become content for some of you to have the audacity to cut my video and you now post it and you are now writing that she's depressed. So if I am now depressed, you think I will come to social media and beg for money? I come from a very wealthy home and I am surrounded by wealthy people, not even in the corridors of powers, private entities. So what are you people saying? And to those that feel that everything is content, everything. When we were doing activism, or as we are doing activism, it is not about monetization. It is not about relevance. It is not about government recognition. It's about choking them. But this country is as bad as it is. But you think I am part of the Mekunu that want to survive in this country? I'm sorry to disappoint you. I am not. I am not popular on social media because I'm looking for relevance. I am not popular on social media because I'm looking for anything from government. Anything I want to get in government, I will get it. But God has blessed me. My hands are working. I have what I feed with. I have my brain. I have my business. I have my professionalism. So people should stop it. You people never listen to the lyrics of songs. You are only attracted to visuals. You like to bully people to silence. You like to create a narrative against people. And let me just disappoint you. You said the narrative people tried to push against me to the government because the first set of people that started to call me were top politicians in this country. And they thought, is everything okay with you? That we have seen the video, there's nothing wrong. So why are they making it seem like you have discouraged your coming young girls? I'm wondering, shaking wagbada. I'm on vacation and I want to, coming from the beach, is sand, and then I'm recording my video. Am I supposed to be explaining? Am I the reason for your poverty? Am I the reason why you don't understand the difference between exposure, culture, values, morals, dignity? People should be very careful of people who don't write about you, who don't talk about you. They don't push anything you do, but any opportunity to see how to push a wrong narrative about you, they jump at it. Auntie Eshalaye Funwa, who the freaking hell is your mother and your father and all your family? Or what about anybody that creates a wrong narrative about me? You now put it on your page. Mo wi pẹ̀lú májẹ̀mú, mo wi láti ẹni lọ, ó di ọ̀rọ̀ òkúta, ó di májẹ̀mú ní òkun, ó tún jẹ́ èèyàn mọ́ láyé ẹ. Because I have tried in this country for everybody. I have showed nothing but love and commitment and empathy to every citizen of this country. Mi ò bá tèèyàn jẹ rí. I pursue advocacy and I only pursue activism. Those two things. And when I see people in situations, I slide into DM, I ask, are you okay? I help quietly. So if you now feel you want to create content, what I am praying about, mo wà lábẹ́ omi, mo ń gba àdúrà, mo dẹ̀ ń dúpẹ́ pé Ọlọ́run rán Bísí Manuel sí mi. Ìwọ wá create content, ó wá ní àǹtí ṣe wà dìbò. Ó tún jẹ́yàn mọ́, babaláwo olè aláàfà, babaláwo tíra ọfà, àṣàsí àránsí tó bá gbé dìde, kò lè wẹ̀ àdàbí tó bá finú rẹ̀ ṣe. So if I'm not okay, you people cannot enter my DM and say, are you okay? All is well. How can we help? No. But just a little, she's evil. She's posting a picture. Irresponsible man. Ìyá ni o tre. Can ìyá yín lówó rán yín lọ lóyìnbó? Ní wà l'America kẹ́ máa rí èèyàn nínú beach. Àbí lábẹ́ shower kẹ́ máa ní immorality. Bastards of human beings.
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ìlú ń pè ọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀ àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀ àfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ bó dọ́jà ni èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí èmi náà kọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.